A camera store in Germany has found a way to make non-working Leica cameras into expensive one-of-a-kind pieces of art by copper plating the camera. The store teamed up with a specialist to create and sell a series of limited edition, non-functional, copper-plated Leica rangefinders as art pieces that'll class up your mantelpiece. The precise details of how the entire camera is effectively embalmed in a coat of copper, including the glass lens and non-metal components, remains unknown, but the end result speaks for itself. The store is selling 8 copper-plated Leica rangefinders in all, each of them marked as a single copy and each coated in copper by using a galvanic process. The camera comes with its own lens and various accessories, and each of them completely covered in copper. If you want to check them out for yourself, head over to the Miaster Camera store online. Prices range from $1,175 up to a max price of $1,650.